Most people get this wrong when starting a company in the Isle of Man. They think it is a secret offshore shortcut with zero rules and instant tax benefits. Here's the truth no one tells you. Setting up a company in the Isle of Man is actually straightforward, but only if you follow the correct order from day one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a company in the Isle of Man in 2026 step by step. We'll cover the company type, registration process, costs, taxes, banking, and the biggest mistakes that can delay approval. Let's start with the first thing you need to know. The Isle of Man is a self-governing British Crown dependency. It has its own corporate laws and tax system. Many entrepreneurs use it for international business, e-commerce, holding companies, consulting, and digital services. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before filing anything, you need to choose the right company structure. Most people use a private limited company. This structure gives limited liability protection and is accepted internationally. For example, let's say John runs a software business serving us clients. Instead of operating personally, he creates an Isle of Man company to separate business liability and improve international operations. The next step is choosing a company name. Your name must be unique and approved by the registry. Avoid names that sound like banks, insurance firms, or government agencies unless you have permission. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They try to register directly without using a licensed registered agent. In the Isle of Man, most non-residents must work with a local corporate service provider. That provider handles compliance, registered office requirements, and filings. Next, you'll prepare your documents. Usually you need passport copies, proof of address, business activity details, and shareholder information. Some providers may also request source of funds documents. In a minute, I'll show you the part that surprises most new founders. Banking.ie. Once your documents are approved, the company is officially incorporated. This can sometimes happen within a few business days if everything is correct. Government fees and service provider costs vary, but many setups range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on complexity. Now let's talk taxes. The Isle of Man is known for its low corporate tax environment. Many companies qualify for 0% corporate tax on certain business activities. But here's the catch. Your personal tax obligations still depend on where you live. If Alex lives in the US or India, he may still owe taxes there even with an Isle of Man company. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Opening a bank account is often the hardest part. Banks want to see real business activity, contracts, invoices, and clear compliance documents. If your business looks vague or risky, approval can take much longer. Finally, stay compliant every year. You may need annual returns, accounting records, and registered office maintenance. Missing deadlines can lead to penalties or even company removal. So here's the bottom line. Starting a company in the Isle of Man in 2026 can be fast and efficient if you use the right provider, prepare documents properly, and understand the tax and banking realities before you begin. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the country where you want to start your business next.